Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to contact Uber support, whether you are a rider, driver, or facing a billing issue, quick and easy. So let's get started. First, start by opening the Uber app on your mobile device and then tap on account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then select help from the menu. So here you will see various categories like help with the trip or a guide to Uber, account and payment options, and much more. Select the topic that best matches your issue. For example, if you had a problem with a recent ride, tap help with the trip and choose the specific trip. Once you select your issue, you can describe the problem and submit a request. Uber usually responds via in-app messages or email within a few hours. You can also contact support by going to help.uber.com in your browser. Let me show you. Go to your web browser, navigate to your search engine, and then go to help.uber.com, hit search. Here, log in with your Uber account, then choose the issue and follow the prompts. In some countries, Uber also offers phone support for drivers. Check the help section or Uber's local support pages to see if it's available in your region. And that's how you contact Uber support quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any other apps you'd like help with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.